What's up, YouTube? This is right after my breakfast today. I'm a little fried out. I'm a little burnt out. I have some ideas with a statue of David that I created into a bust. Hopefully we get into some other important things today. I know I have a little assembly project today. I want to see how much money I'm going to make. That'll be a little bit of B-roll for us, a little bit of action, a little bit of diving into what I'm going to come up with next. And any of you guys have any suggestions at all, bring them up, man. I'd love to hear them. So anyways, let's get back to it. Let's get to 3D printing. Let's see what I got. All right, welcome back to CK Chrome Workshop. Yesterday I did finish with this guy here. I'll get some better B-roll on him. You probably already saw it. What I've done in Mastercam, okay, I have the holes in the back here. I definitely do not like that. It looks like he's being stabbed or something like that. It didn't turn out the way I thought. So what I did is I just made this thicker. I made this thicker, and I'm going to put the pen holes in through here. Okay, so then it's going to come out the bottom, so it doesn't. But then I thought it looked like arrows shooting at the ground. But anyways, let's see how this is going to look. It still looks pretty cool. Might not be enough angle, but we're going to do it anyhow. Let's print this guy out. Thanks, everyone, for going through that modification with me, and let's see what we get. What's going on? Just a little pep talk here. It's going to be work. It's going to be work. If you're not getting sales, you're working to get sales. If you're getting sales, you're working to make the sales and execute the sales. So no matter what, you're not getting out of work. So, you know, if you're like in any kind of situation where I am, where you're constantly thinking, oh, what do I got to do next? Okay, you can't really force it, but on the other hand, you got to keep thinking of ideas, okay? So what am I going to do next? What this and that. But it can be overwhelming, you know, like I'm saying before. It can be overwhelming, but you got to keep it in mind. What is a regular full-time job? This is exactly what it is, except I'm in charge now. You know, there's going to be work involved no matter what, okay? And I can't just sit here and start loafing around. Another thing I've noticed that I've been doing is pacing a lot and getting nothing done and just thinking and pacing a lot. So I have to avoid that. And I have to avoid that by giving myself projects every day. So I know the pen holder was my project yesterday, and I'm getting my butt whooped really bad by that. I want to put the statue of David on Etsy, and I want to make a small one, 9.5 inches, and I want to cut it in half and make one, I don't know, 18 inches. I want to have two different sizes. I think that would be pretty cool. Another thing is I kind of don't want to do it on resin. You got to keep yourself versatile though. So if I have to do resin, I have to do resin. There's other things I have to do resin with in the future that I want on upcoming events. Anyways, I'm not talking about too many things here. I just need to keep myself focused. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to grind out a light box, okay? It's one of my designs that I've wanted to do. Same as everything else, I thought of the idea and I looked it up online. Except this one, I've only seen it made out of wood. So it's a light box that's made out of wood. And let's see what we come up with that. And have a good day.
What's up, everyone? I've already dabbled a little bit into my design and such, and I didn't record it. Sorry about that, but anyways, I'm going to start in right now with some exporting the model, get into some design, and I'm going to get this light fixture, light box kicked out. Let's see what we got. All right, so I got it the way I wanted. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll have some B-roll on that, and let me get that light box cooking in the oven. Right? Take it easy.